are using only text, a keychain, silver pattern, and then the background. So I will show you how to create a keychain logo using Pixellab on your phone. So for you to create a keychain logo, first thing is to type the name you want to use. So go to text option, edit the default text, delete this, and then type. Now this is the first thing you are going to have your text into your Pixellab, and then you go to font, select font, go to my, we are using Kinkres font, click on it and press OK. Now here is it. Now the next thing is to make sure that you copy your text into 2 layers. Click on it and click on copy. It is now 2. Now the first one, go to stroke, click on stroke and then enable it. Now move to stroke width and increase it till you have the last digit, which is 37, and then activate it. Now this color is 2, this is white and black, so go to color and change the text also to black. Click on it. Now you're having this. If the text is not showing very well, go to padding and increase the left and right padding. Once you increase the padding, it will appear very well. Balance it to the center and then place this new text, which is being copied, on the same place that one is, by using your positioning to align it together. Now you have it. The bold one, which we give a stroke, is at the back, which is color black, and the normal one is in the front, which is white. So that's not all. You need to add a ring to it. Go to shapes, click on shapes, change it to circle, and then the opacity will be 0%. You now go to stroke and add stroke up to like 15. Then you go to size, reduce the size of the shape. Let's use 8%, 7%. So position it to where you want it to hold your keychain. So let's put it here. Now you are having 3 layers. Go to option for selecting layers and then click on this tab. Tick the 3 items, mark it, then you select this part again. It will ask you, do you want to merge? Yes, you want to merge it together. Now it is one object. Can you see? Now go to option that says erase color, click on it, activate it. It will remove the white part of your text that you've designed. Now this is it. The next thing is to now give it the texture. We want a silver texture for our keychain. Texture, select the image. The image must be in your gallery, so you download it first before you carry on with the design. So this is the background texture we want to use. It's silver. Click on it. Can you see it disrupts everything you have? So as to make it meaningful, let's go back, reverse the action. Then you go to shapes, add a black floor to it, make it black. Color, make this floor black, and then reduce the size to very tiny one. Then you place it on the same body of the design, so you merge it together with it also. Click here, merge it just like you've done earlier. Now that you merge it with the floor, it will now give you access to change the texture without disrupting what you have. So let's click on this texture and then add it. Can you see? So you can decide to adjust your texture based on what you want. It's okay like this. Now let's go to emboss. Click on emboss, activate emboss, then you start your work on it. Let's leave the light angle at something like 60, around 60, 61. So intensity, reduce it. Let's go to bevel. Leave the bevel at 6. Specular hardness Let's give specular hardness like 15 or even 20. Yes, ambient light 54. So look at the setting. Light angle can be 60 or 61 depending on what you have. Intensity 41, ambient light 54, specular hardness 20, bevel 6. You can adjust the way you want, but it must be meaningful when you have your result. Just be looking at what you're having and then set it to what you want. Now that we have our design ready, we need the keychain to be in, and then the background that we want. The background we want and the keychain. Now import the keychain into your Pixellab. Click on import. Click on it. Activate, then reduce. Place it at the same spot where that ring is. So here we go. So now let's select the background. Go to this place, click on from gallery, and then click the background we want to use. Now we have to adjust it again so as to make more meaning. Adjust and position it well. So to make it realistic, we have to give this one shadow. Click on shadow, activate the shadow, and then adjust depending on what you have on your keychain. So here we have our outcome. You can decide to save your design as you want.